Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 4.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The euro dollar pair rose 0.7% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The pound dollar pair rose 0.8% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The last session saw the Aussie rise 0.3% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Shares of Dell and HP fell after the personal computer makers issued forecasts that cast doubt on a market recovery driven by artificial intelligence-enabled PCs. Dell tumbled 11%, with the company set to shed about $11 billion from its $99.5 billion market value after it forecast quarterly revenue below estimates. US consumer spending increased slightly more than expected in October, suggesting the economy retained much of its solid growth momentum early in the fourth quarter, but progress on lowering inflation appears to have stalled in recent months. Tether, the issuer of USDT, the world's largest stablecoin by market capitalization, is dropping support for its euro-pegged stablecoin, asking users to redeem holdings within 1 year. Tether has decided to discontinue support for its EURT stablecoin on all blockchains, ceasing minting of the token.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Upcoming economic releases on the calendar include high-impact events alongside moderate and low-impact reports. Traders and investors alike should be prepared, as any of these data points could spark changes in market dynamics and volatility. Monitoring these key data points can reveal shifts in market sentiment. Whether they align with expectations or bring surprises, these events could shape the near-term market outlook.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.